It's charge time today. I'm charging the big red pack back there. I'm charging this other red pack. And I'm charging the batteries and the solar's out. It's Wednesday, the 26th. Really. The solar's all out. Everything's charging. Really. My generator's running. The low red one. I'm all packed up, ready to go almost. I watched Channel 16 and they said from noon tomorrow on, bad thunderstorms, sleet, high winds, maybe torrential downpours. I figure I better be out of here by 9 o'clock in the morning. I better be getting my rear end home. If I come back with the car, and that way I can leave if it gets nasty. Everything's away. Really. I put the big generator away, everything. Blinds in the back of the truck, everything's done.